Dear visitors and subscribers of my channel, today I would like to tell you about the malicious website that tries to force you into installing a special extension for your Google Chrome browser. It says that this is some required installation and it instructs you to download this special extension which you should not do. If the extension is installed by mistake, then you will start getting forwarded through some suspicious websites and you will not be able to actually get the results by Google anymore. When you start submitting some search queries, the results may be delivered by Bing, by Yahoo, or by something really unfamiliar. As you see, there is some redirections taking place through the website searchwebs.xyz, and it's not a really good sign for the safety of your personal details, because the search queries you submit may be collected and transferred to third parties illegally. This searchwebs.xyz is a fake search engine that is involved in spying on your browsing activities. You may experience slowdowns in getting the requested results, and obviously this is the problem because you cannot get back to Google as your default search engine with this extension active. So what you need to do is to basically go to the menu of your browser, click on More Tools and Extensions, and now you need to carefully disable and delete any suspicious extensions that you might see here. So after all these extensions that are suspicious, after they are deleted, the problem should be fixed and Google should be your common search engine. I also recommend that you perform the additional investigation of your Mac with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus for Mac. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database, and finally click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the complex investigation of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report about the safety of your Mac. So, start Combo Scan and the free research of your Mac will begin. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.